Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. Today the topic is how to draft a mutual consent divorce petition. In today's topic we will be discussing about how to draft and what are the conditions before filing a mutual divorce petition, what things needs to be taken care before filing a mutual consent divorce petition, and what could be the jurisdiction for mutual divorce, and how much time it takes, and what is the complete procedure of mutual divorce petition in India. So let's begin it with the definition of mutual consent divorce. So a mutual consent divorce is one in which both the parties, it means the husband and wife, agrees to file for divorce. So this is the mutual consent divorce. In India, it is given under, in India, different religion have different matrimonial laws. For example, the Hindu Marriage Act guides the matrimonial bonds of the Hindu, Sikh, Jain and Buddhist. Likewise, for Muslim there is a different law, for Christian there is a different law, and there is a special marriage act also for intercaste and interreligion marriages. So today we will be taking the example of the Hindu Marriage Act. In the Hindu Marriage Act, section 13B has prescribed the details of the mutual consent divorce in India. So the first condition for the mutual consent divorce is both the parties, it means the husband and the wife, are living separately for at least 1 year. So this is the first predominant condition. Both the parties should be living separately and there is no physical contact between both the parties. That is the condition. Now, what are the things that needs to be taken care for the mutual divorce petition? First thing is the maintenance. It means if the wife is working, or if the wife is a housewife, in both the conditions she is eligible for maintenance and she can ask for the maintenance. At the same time, if there is any child born out of the wedlock, then they can also decide about the who will be the guardian, who will be the in charge of that of that child. And if there is any property issues between the couples, they should also settle it. So these are the three conditions: the maintenance, the child custody and the property rights. These are the three conditions that needs to be taken care before filing a mutual divorce petition. Now, what could be the jurisdiction for mutual divorce petition? The first condition is, first jurisdiction could be the place where the marriage was solemnized. The second jurisdiction could be where the couple have last resided, and the third jurisdiction where the wife is residing. So these are the three conditions for deciding the jurisdiction. So first and foremost is where the marriage was solemnized. Second is where the couple last resided, and the third is where the wife is residing. So these are the three conditions for deciding the jurisdiction. Now, after deciding the jurisdiction, what documents are required for filing the mutual divorce petition? So the first and foremost is the marriage certificate. If it is not, then the invitation card, the stamp size photo of both parties, and then the photographs of the marriage ceremony, the income tax return. So these are the basic document required for filing the mutual divorce petition. After that, after all this document, you have to first write the name of the court, the jurisdiction, then the name of the petitioner. Here one thing I want to clarify: here nobody is respondent. Here both the parties are petitioner. They are filing for a mutual divorce petition. So here both the parties are petitioner. So even a single advocate can represent both the parties. So this is about the petition, where we don't write any respondent, but we write the petitioner, both the parties as petitioner. Then we will write application under section 13B for mutual divorce petition. Then we will also we will be discussing about when the marriage occurred, what is the status of the husband and wife before marriage and after marriage, where they are residing at present. Then we will be in chronology, we will be discussing about the stages, how the marriage become irrevocable, all we will be giving all the grounds, and then we will pray for a mutual divorce petition. So these are the chronology in which we have to draft this petition. After that, in relief, we can ask for a mutual decree of divorce. So now this is called the first motion petition for the divorce. This is the first motion petition. Once it is filed, so once it is filed before the concerned court, the court may give cooling off period of 6 months. The 6-month period is not compulsory. The party can waive it if they move to High Court for the waiver of this cooling off period, and it can be waived if there is some exceptional grounds, and if all the chances of the restoration of marriage has failed. So if there is no chance of any restoration of marriage, then the High Court may grant waiver for the cooling off period, and if it is there, then we can move for the second motion petition, or we can move the second motion petition after 6 months, or the second motion petition can be filed anytime before 18 months. So after the second motion petition, in the first motion petition itself, the court takes the oath of both the parties, and the statement are given by both the parties, in which they gives the details why the marriage has broken, and what are the grounds and why they consented for the divorce. So after that statement, the court will grant a cooling off period, and after that there is a second motion petition. In the second motion petition, the court will grant a degree of divorce. So these are the procedure for the mutual divorce petition. So I will be making another video on the contested divorce petition. So I request all of you, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel to get more updates on legal and financial issues. So if you like my video, please like it, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.